But you must believe me when I tell you that I have found it impossible to carry the heavy burden of responsibility and to discharge my duties as king as I would wish to do without the help and support of the woman I love.
Australia calls you to hear the Right Honourable William Morris Hughes, Federal Minister for Health and Repatriation in Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Hughes.
It gives me much pleasure to extend to you an invitation to visit Australia early next year. From January the 26th to April the 25th, we shall be celebrating the foundation of this great young Commonwealth.
It has been a marvellous series, and we are all glad it is over, because I doubt whether we could have seen the distance if there had been another one to play. It is only another year or thereabouts before an Australian team will go back to England. I sincerely hope that I shall be privileged to go on that occasion and renew the very happy matches with our friends from overseas, whom we have made very sincere friends of on this trip.